Hi friends, I just got an order from Amazon and this is my new Canon T7i DSLR camera. I'm like so very excited to open this package. Come on, let's see what we have in the package. Oh my god, I have another box inside. This is packed so securely. Let me open that. Wow, the package has all the content. Now we are going to see one by one. This is a high-speed card reader. This is compatible for Mac also. See the second one. This is a digital filter set. This is a 3-piece filter set actually. So it's a UV filter, circular polarizer, CPL filter, and fluorescent filter. Then we have a universal wireless remote control. So this is to use with our Canon camera. And oh, this is our memory card. This is a 64 GB memory card. The next one is a 3PC universal screen protector kit. The instructions are provided at the back of the package, so you can read it. The next one is a T-mount. So this is a lens mount for SLR cameras. We have a very small package. What is this? Oh, this is a lens cap keeper. Okay, we have a professional grip strap also for the wrist. What is the next one? Okay, this is an high quality 4PC HD macro close-up filter set. So this allows you to achieve maximum magnification to make your small images visible. So this has 4 pieces actually. That's what it is displayed here. The next one, what is this? Oh, this is a 2.2x high definition telephoto lens. So it is 58 mm. This is digital and video cameras. So you can see the image here. So how this is without telephoto and with telephoto, how you can enlarge. Okay, now I'm going to open this telephoto lens to see how it is. You can see a small bag also for this photo lens. Let's see. This is a nice bag. Let's see what is inside. Okay, this is our lens. I'm going to place it as it is and move to the next one. I'm going to the next one. Yeah. Okay, this is a wide angle lens. So this professional high definition lens reduces glass, flare and ghosting caused by reflections. Okay, let me open this one. Okay, this is the second lens we are seeing. Look at the one, it's a macro lens. This is a SIT Pro series 0.43x high definition AF wide angle lens, 58 mm. Okay. I have a small package at the side. Let me see that is. Okay, this is a digital slave flash, ideal for digital and SLR cameras, great light source for indoor and outdoor photography. Oh, this has a 1-year limited warranty also. Let me open this one. These are slave mode and mode select. I think there are some buttons and the test options given here. Okay, I think this is a stand for this flash. I see a small safety bag here. I think this we can use for memory card saving. Might be. Okay. Okay, I've seen a small. I want to open all the small one first. What is this? Okay, this is a 3-piece digital camera and camcorder accessory kit. I think this is for cleaning. So it has to clean and it has the equipments to clean and maintain your digital camera. I'll take the next bag. Okay, so what is this? This is a large gadget bag. This is a 2-sided pockets, padded dividers and handle, adjustable shoulder strap. So I think this, like, you can just hang your Canon camera on your shoulder. Okay. And then, did I miss any small packets? No. Okay. This is another lens. This is 75 to 300 mm lens from Canon. So okay, let me try to open this one. You have the instructions here, so if you are a new person to Canon, then you can just read the instructions, see how to use your Canon and enjoy using it. Oh my god, it's like heavy. Wow. So, look at the camera lens. 75 to 300 mm, and you have a mode change here. Okay, next. Oh, this is a 500 mm f8.0 multi-coated telephoto lens. See, this is used for high definition. You can see the angle view and the rotatable stand, and they have given the with pictures they are describing what this lens is. And yeah, you have like a lot of perfect for what kind of things, for landscape, nature, sports event, and a lot of things is listed here. When you get the package, you can go one by one. Okay. This is not like the other pack. They keep it more secure by taping it. So let me take a blade and open this one. Very long lens. Look at the package. I like the package very much. Okay, let me try to take this out. Wow, look at this one. I'm going to open from the cover for you so that you can experience what I'm experiencing. So look at this one. This is a 500 mm. Okay, next one. This is a tripod stand. So this is 57 inches extension, 21 inches folded length, 6 LPs load capacity, and it has an adjustable rubber feet and 3-way fluid pan head, center column brace, and look at this one. And the last one, this is a camera. Let me open. Okay. One, two, three. So you have a big dribble T7i US guide. So It's a very big guide. Maybe you can go through it and take better pictures. And what is this? Oh, okay. Canon has provided some registration now. Okay. What is this? Okay, I think with using this you can register in Canon. For any technical assistant you can call them. Okay, this is the last one in this package. Okay. See how safely they have packed the 2 covers. What is this? Okay, this is 18 to 55 mm lens. Okay, you want me to open it and okay. This is a battery charger. I think no need to open the cover. You can see here. This is the voltage given here. Okay, let me take the next one. What is this? Oh, okay, this is a holder where you can hang it in your shoulder. Okay, this is a battery. Let's take the final package. This is your camera. And this is your Canon T7i DSLR. Okay, you see the different options here. You have a play option, delete button, and you have the settings here, and different options, menu button, your info button, and this is camera. Let me take the display. Okay, this is actually a rotatable, so if you are like planning to take a selfies, and you can turn like this and then you can take, and then you can turn it, and you can close it. You can also flip it in the other way you want. And here you can see the different modes which you can select. It is a TV mode, AVM, and then you have like different other options which you can select. Here you have a pointer, so I believe like you have to mark it near the pointer to set it. And then you have like on and off, video on, and the different display, the rotating bar, and I think this is the click one which you use to click it. And these 2 holders are like I've showed you earlier, the belt. So this belt you can connect it here and then hang it on your shoulder. And you have like the mic thing here which you can set it here, so you can see the mic options, and then close it if you don't want. And then if you want to connect it to your computer, then you can use all the options here. You can see there is a plug point for you to connect it. Don't want, you can close it. Then what else you have? I'm new to this camera, so I'm also just exploring what are the different options. Okay, here a battery opener is here, so you can just pull it open and then you can add battery here. And then you have a card opener here, so I think this is also, here's an arrow mark provided, so pull it to open it. And that's all the features which I know, and I'm yet to learn more how to taking clicks. And I'm so excited to use all the different lens and take different pictures. And yeah, let me learn it and come back to you with different video to show you how to use the camera soon.